Well, I waited too long the other day to use this new snow thrower. The snow froze up on me, and so I ended up having to use the tractor to dig it all out. We only had about 2 inches. I got a little bit more today, and it's still snowing, but I'm going to go ahead and let's give this sucker a try and see how it does. I'm going to start out and use just the one 10 amp hour battery that it comes with and see how long it lasts. Later on, after I figure that out, then I'll put some more batteries in it. So let's get started. Well, I don't have some traction there all the time because I'm actually out on the lawn. It's hard to find the sidewalk, and the sidewalk does have some ice on it, so it's a little slippery, but it's doing a good job so far. All right, I'm going to take it down, do one of the neighbors. You can see me work from there. This is heavy, wet snowman snow, so in other words, it packs up. It's pretty hard. Again, I don't have this cleaned down to the sidewalk before, so I'm struggling just a little bit with it. Let's see where the battery's at so far. Not quite half, so yeah, we're going to get probably 20 minutes use out of it. Alright, go down and do these other steps. So far it's what I expect. It's a lighter snow thrower, so this snow is actually sticky enough that it will push in front of the machine. There's big slabs over to start to move. Then you start cutting into it. So I'm not complaining at all about the power. Traction is okay, especially since there's some ice down here underneath. So enjoy. Well, one thing nice, it's quiet. You can, all you can do is hear a little bit of motor noise, not that big whiny stuff that some of the other electric ones have. And the single stage is nice and quiet, so you can do this. You can use this one out at night and not bother your neighbors. Few piles of snow here. Okay, really wet, heavy snow. It does okay. I wanted to say that it was probably about an 8 horse, but it's more like a 7 horse. This snow is really heavy, so it goes through it without any problems until you hit a real big pile like here. Then it bogs down, but so does your gas machine. So I got another 6 inches of snow coming yet, so we'll should be able to get out here and get some more of this done later on. So one thing about batteries that I really kind of forget to tell you guys, and my brother brought it to my attention this morning. He left 2 7.5 amp hour batteries set out in the snowblower, and then this morning he went to charge them. Well, it was sitting out in the garage, and it got down to 12-15 degrees a couple nights, so probably 20 degrees in the garage. He went to plug them in and charge them, and they both showed red. So he ended up having to bring them into the house, and after about 15 minutes they warmed up enough that they started charging. Myself, I have a shelf in the house where I keep all my batteries. So when I go out and I go start using them, the batteries are at 65-70 degrees. That way I never have any problems with discharges. I never have any problems with cold. When I'm done with them, I bring them back in, and then I fully charge them and then take them off the charger. Now these Toro batteries, I do it that way, and they will hold a charge for 6, 8, 10, 12 months that way. But that way I know and I can always check them, push the button, see what kind of condition they're in. It doesn't hurt these Toro batteries to do it that way. So when you're done, just bring them in, charge them up, and then leave them set here in your normal house environment, and you won't have any issues with them. Okay?
Down in the dirt. Been real bad.